In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best online carpets discount promo codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser right here and you'll have to search for online carpets discount promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called wordpenny.com and you'll have to open this one. So as you can see right here, we have a list of different type of promo codes that you can use in order to get a discount. For example, if you want to get this one with 10% discount, which is also verified, you can set it up right here to show code. And this is the promo code right here. You can simply copy this one from right here and apply on your next purchase to get that 10% discount. Also, going back to our main site right here, we have this website which is called reuters.com. So as you can see right here, we have this promo code available right now with 5% discount. So all you need to do right here is simply tap on copy code option, and this is the promo code. You can use this one on your next purchase to get that 5% discount. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.